Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how we can create a trivia quiz for free. So, as you may know, the trivia quiz is one of the most popular trivia quiz among the quiz users. So, if you have a trivia quiz on your website, you will be sure that your website visitors will be engaged and they will stay on your website as long as you wish. So here we can see that I have an example, and if you want to know how you can create this kind of quiz for your website, make sure to watch this video till the end. So for creating a free trivia quiz, all you need to do is to have the QuizMaker plugin's free version installed and activated on your WordPress website. So here we can see that I have already activated it, and this is my dashboard. So for creating a new quiz, all you need to do is to click on the Add New button. So let's click on it and see how it works. So here we are. Here we'll be able to add the title, which is a trivia quiz here. And by scrolling a little bit down, here we have the questions section. But for adding the questions here, first of all, you will need to create the questions separately. For that, we'll need to move to the questions submenu. And here again, click on the Add New button for creating our questions. So the QuizMaker plugin allows us to create a question with various question types, which is very much important for having the engaging trivia quiz. One of the key points of trivia quiz is to have not only one question type, but as much as you can. For example, allow the users to add their own answers, write the text, or something like that. And here you can see that it is possible with the QuizMaker plugin. For example, let's choose the radio question type, and here you will need to write your question. For my example, I have used the questions from our article, which is about trivia questions and answers. So you can find the link of this article under the description of this video, and you will be able to make use of these questions as well. So let's copy the first question and paste it here. Here we can see that we have the Add Image button, which is for inserting the images into the questions. Now let's see where we can add the answers. Here is the Answer tab, where you will need to write the options. For example, let it be 50, 22, or 52. Choose the correct answer and tick on it. So the answers are ready as well. For interactive purposes, you can make use of the question hint option, and as you may have remembered from my displayed example, I also got question hints. So here you will be able to add the hints for your questions and make it easier for the users to find the answer of the question, and not make the process of passing the quiz hard, but make it more fun and engaging. So as you already know how to create a question for your quiz, let's go back to the main quiz and see what features it offers us and how we can create an eye-catching trivia quiz for free. So here is our main quiz. Let's scroll a little bit down, and for inserting the questions, we'll need to click on the Insert Questions button. Here are my already created questions. Let's click on them and click on the Insert Question button. So here they are. My questions are already in the main quiz. The design of the quiz is also very much important. So here we can see that the QuizMaker plugin offers us the ability to add image for our quiz. By clicking on this button, we'll be able to import images from our device or from our media library. So let's click on this image and click to the convenient button, and here we are. Our image is already uploaded into the quiz. So here, besides the general tab, you can see that we have various tabs that are responsible for the settings of our quiz. The Styles tab is responsible for the design of our quiz. So here you'll be able to customize the style based on your wish. You can choose the theme for your quiz. You can choose the animation effect, text color, the size of your quiz, and so on. Now let's go to the settings tab, and as you may notice from the example, the quiz also has the timer option. The timer is another opportunity for you to add excitement for your quiz, so that the users will know that the time is limited and they will be more engaged to pass the quiz as fast as they can. By activating this option, you will be able to choose the seconds for the timer. You can write the message before the timer, and so on. So these simple features are all you need for creating a trivia quiz for free and keeping up with the latest trends of the quiz world. So I hope this video was useful for you, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.